Here we are with Keylogger 3. Yes, you do not want to name your program Keylogger. Antivirus is really like that. Well, we creating a string variable for our log file. As we have done before, we have created a keyboard listener. That's a thread running in the background that waits for somebody to type something on the keyboard. And then when we press a key, we're going to process that key press, which is right down here. This passes in whatever key has been typed. And we're going to say with keyboard listener, because that starts this guy on its path, it starts the thread. We are going to close the keyboard listener when the program stops. Here we're going to add whatever character we've typed in to a log. And this is going to be a log that's in memory. We're going to store it in a file later on. We don't want to store certain special characters. I should say we don't want to store the keystrokes like saying space. We want to just have the space in there. So if we type the key dot space, it puts a space between the special key instead of the regular key. Oh, here we just put a space. Here we put a space between the special keys. We press escape, and that exits our program. Well, let's see how that guy works. There he is. I'm going to go click somewhere else and type. Yep. See, I should have key shift in there too, shouldn't I? That's when you can add in, because I was holding down the shift key. We don't need to know that. So we can do the same thing here. We could do if key equals key space. Let's see here. We can do else LF key equals key dot, what was I typing? Oh, shift. Got the wrong thing. Oh, there we go. Put that guy there. Whoops, these guys are supposed to be together. Do the same thing. There. Now it won't add it to the log. Clicking somewhere else on the screen. Yep, see no shift. But we did do the right shift key. Okay, so we can take care of all those, but we're going to take care of all those in a better way later on. Thus ends Keylogger Part 3. Keylogger Part 4 coming up.